Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into solution part. In this session, I am going to be tell you the solution for Cypress test case issue. Okay, what is the issue? What are the solution I applied for that? Everything I am going to be tell you now. Okay, now I am going to be run my Cypress test case. What is the command we are going to be given? Node module slash dot bin slash Cypress open. So this is the command for executing the Cypress test case. Okay, after hitting this command, the Cypress runner will be open. There only we are going to be run the specific test case, right? So what is the issue I'm facing? Let's see. After hitting this command, I'm facing one issue. What is the issue? This is my project path. Okay, it's showing us cannot be loaded because running script is disabled on the system. For more information, see about execution policy at this site. Okay. So in my system, the running script is disabled. So first I have to enable those things. Then only I can able to run my Cypress test case. Okay. Inside Cypress, we are using JavaScript language, right? For that JavaScript, it's having some execution policy. First we have to read those things. Okay, now I'm going to be visit this site. This site will give you the steps for everything. Okay, open Chrome browser, hit this URL. So after hitting this URL, you can able to refer the execution policy articles. So it is taking too long time, and also you'll be get confused after reading the execution policy paragraphs. Okay, now I'm going to be directly tell you the solution. Okay, so here you can see left side some menus is available, right? Here you can go up little bit. There you can see install option. Go to here and click on this installing PowerShell on Windows. So installing PowerShell on Windows. So for that we need to install PowerShell because we are writing JavaScript language, right? So that reason we should install the PowerShell. So this article will give you what are the steps we have to follow for installing this PowerShell on Windows. Okay. Then you can go to click on download PowerShell. So here this page will tell you what are the release of version PowerShell is available. Okay, so here you have to select MSI format PowerShell for Windows 64-bit. Okay, I'm having 64-bit, so that reason I'm going to be select this 64 MSI. Okay, click on this one. So it will be take time. So already I downloaded that MSI. You just open, go to downloads. So already I downloaded. Okay, you just double click on here, you just installed. So this is the path we have to place this PowerShell installations. Okay, so better you can keep on C drive. Next, install. So after click on install, there is one pop-up will came. You just click on yes. Okay, finish. Now we are successfully installed PowerShell. Okay, now I'm going to be restart this one. Exit. Again I try to open this Cypress Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, here you can see when you are try to restart this Visual Studio Code Editor, here you can able to find the https aka.ms PowerShell. Okay, so successfully the Cypress will get PowerShell. Okay, now I'm going to be hit the same command for executing Cypress test case. Okay, click on here, hit this command. After the Cypress runner will be opened. Here only we are going to be select test case. Okay, I'm going to be select this test case. Now see successfully started to running the test case. Okay, so this is the way we have to apply the solution for resolving this issue. Okay, so I hope you understand this solution steps. Whenever you are facing this problem, you just apply this solution. Okay, thank you guys.